Best deals.
1. Canister. The transparent body allows you to quickly identify contents without opening the lid. A perfect steel container with see-through glass look, helping you stay organized and save time while cooking. Equipped with a high-quality silicone ring inside the lid, the steel container with lid ensures an airtight seal that locks in freshness and prevents moisture, keeping snacks, tea, coffee, and dry groceries crisp for longer. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Shoe organizer. Made from high-grade, lightweight plastic that is strong and easy to clean for everyday use. Double your rack space instantly with this double-deck shoe storage organizer. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bathroom shelf. Maximize your bathroom's potential with our innovative self-adhesive bathroom shelf, optimizing storage without sacrificing space. Enjoy hassle-free setup with our adhesive bathroom shelf, eliminating the need for drilling. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Laundry basket. Can be used as plant cover, storage basket for keeping used laundry, placing bedside accessories, small plants, cosmetics and home decor purpose. Made of eco-friendly material. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Pan. Professional grade cast iron skillet comes pre-seasoned, offering a naturally non-stick cooking surface that improves with use. Heavy-duty cast iron build ensures the pan will last for generations with proper care and maintenance. Large diameter provides ample space for cooking family-sized meals. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Humidifier. Efficiently manage humidity in spaces up to 320 square feet with a 1.32-gallon tank designed to last up to 12 hours. This humidifier serves as an essential oil diffuser, delivering constant, healthy humidity to your bedroom, living room, office, baby room, or greenhouse. Forget frequent refills and enjoy a comfortable environment. The convenient top fill design allows for effortless refills and cleaning. With a wide 5.8 in opening, pouring water becomes a hassle-free task, eliminating the frustration of small inlets. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cutting board. You can chop on this tray and keep all the ingredients ready to start from spices to veggies to eggs. It can be repeatedly used and the wood is sustainable and completely recyclable. Chopping board is easy to clean and maintain. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Electric chopper. The 500 ml capacity BPA-free transparent container comes with unbreakable plastic body which makes it durable and safe. The multi-splash lid used as a cover of the processing bowl after chopping. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Plastic square container. Is perfect for storing substantial quantities of dry goods like flour, sugar, rice, and atta. Its square shape optimizes pantry space, keeping your kitchen organized and your essential ingredients readily accessible. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Rice storage container. Protects contents from moisture, insects, and dust to keep your grains fresh and safe from spoilage. Transparent window design. View remaining quantity at a glance, no need to open the lid, ideal for daily kitchen use. Made of high-quality food-grade plastic that is non-toxic, odorless, lightweight, and safe for everyday use. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Innerwear organizer. Each organizer offers space-saving dresser-drawer storage with 16 divided compartments. We designed this to help you categorize, separate and organize your clothing. Ideal for sports bras, activewear, underwear, socks, tights, leggings, yoga pants, t-shirts, belts and other accessories. The individual compartments keep things neat, orderly and in place, allowing you to quickly find exactly what you need, when you need it. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Travel bottles. Set includes 4 PCS 90 ml squeeze silicone travel bottles and 4 PCS 40 ml cream jars, providing a complete solution for organizing and carrying your essential liquids and creams. Perfectly designed to accommodate a variety of items, from shampoos and lotions to creams and gels. Crafted from high-quality, soft silicone material, These travel kit for toiletries are designed for durability and long-term use. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Deer Tree Stand. Made of durable plastic. It is made from quality material that ensures its longevity. Its plastic hooks are stronger. Its bottom will stand at one place and will not move here and there. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Tumbler. Features advanced leak-proof technology with a secure, tight sealing lid perfect for enjoying hot or cold drinks without spills, wherever you go. Double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot for up to 6 hours and cold for up to 12 hours, perfect as your all-season coffee or water tumbler. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it's designed for safe, worry-free hydration every day. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Microwave Oven Stand. Sturdy construction with durable steel tube support frame to ensure durability in storage and decoration. Use this metal storage rack for anything and anywhere. It is perfect as a microwave table stand or other small appliances such as toasters. It is also useful as pantry risers. Use it anywhere to create more space with vertical storage. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Biryani Pot. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. Ideal for making biryani and other gravies. Comes in 3.5 liters capacity and is compatible on gas stove. The riveted cool touch handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. This cookware is non-toxic, scratch-resistant, durable, non-reactive and corrosion-proof. Comes with hard anodized lid to protect covering of food and also to reduce the cooking time. Achieve faster cooking times with our 3.25 mm thick, quick heating hard anodized handy. Perfect for biryani and gravies. Impress your guests with gourmet dishes made effortlessly. Sturdy, riveted handles for a reliable grip and lifelong durability. Crafted from hard anodized aluminum, scratch-resistant and metal spoon-friendly. Quality that's as appealing as it is practical. Enjoy toxin-free meals with our non-reactive, non-stick hard anodized cookware. Cook with confidence and creativity, knowing your family's health is a priority. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Zipper Repair Kit. This innovative tool allows you to easily repair zippers on bags, jackets, and other garments without hassle. Unscrew the top screw, embed the tool into the desired position on the zipper, tighten the screw, and pull the restorer to close the zippers. The tool can be embedded at any position along the zipper, enabling repairs at any point. The sleek and compact design makes it easy to store and carry this handy tool wherever you go. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Portable BBQ Grill. This camping grill is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures. The grill's stainless steel construction allows for cooking over campfires or charcoal. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and rust resistance. The grill's design promotes even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. The smooth stainless steel surface facilitates effortless cleaning after use. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Egg Poacher. Is designed to help you quickly cook up to 7 eggs exactly the way you like them. Included measuring cup allows you to calibrate the water level to consistently prepare the eggs to your desired style, soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Made with stainless steel base. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Ironing Mat. Silicone mat attached on top for keeping hot iron. Pure cotton printed fabric laminated with felt pad for soft and quick ironing. Product link is given in the 20th link.